Good morning, student. Today we start our next theme, theme 13. Name of this theme is Mahatma Gandhi and the Nationalist Movement. So this theme is fully based on the Mahatma Gandhi and their three movements: non-cooperation movement, Salt Satyagraha, and Quit India movement. In detail, we discuss all these three movements of Gandhiji in this chapter. Today, I will give you the introduction of this chapter and then we will start our first topic. A leader announces himself. Now, Mahatma Gandhi from 1869 to 1948. This is the period of Mahatma Gandhi. Growth of Indian nationalism. Indian National Congress, as you know that, was formed in 1885 in Bombay. Gokul Das Tejpal Sanket College 72. In this college, 72 delegates from the different parts of the country, they were meet here in Bombay. Okay, and who was the father, if we are saying, or who was the president, who made this Indian National Congress? So the father of the Indian National Congress was the A.O. Hume. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress. We divided the era of this Indian National Congress in three parts. First part, that was known as the Moderates era from 1885 to 1905. Okay, then the Extremists from 1905 to 1917, and then the Gandhian era from 1917 to 1947. Already the moderates and the extremist era we already read in our junior classes. Okay, now in this chapter we will discuss in very in a detailed way the Gandhian era. Indian national movement, partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement and boycott. As you know that Lord Curzon in 1905, okay, uh, he was the Governor General of India, extremist leader on that time. They were against the policies of the Lord Curzon. They were adopted the different methods to boycott the policies of Lord Curzon. They boycott the foreign goods, encouragement of the Swadeshi things, then the popular struggle, anti-partition movement. Lord Hardinge too cancelled the partition in 1911. In 1905, Lord Curzon divided the Bengal into two parts. So against this, the extremist leader, those who were the Lal, Bal and Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, or Vipin Chandra Pal. Okay, so these were the three main leaders who adopted this Swadeshi movement, and they had greatly broadened its appeal among the middle classes especially. And the middle class on that time were also joined this movement and made this movement successful. But in 1907, against the we see the Surat was split into two parts. Then the Indian under this in this time, the Lucknow Pact in 1916, then Home Rule movement in 1916, and the rise of the revolutionary movements. all these all these movements were going on in between that time. But now in this chapter we discuss about the Mahatma Gandhi and the national movement. Our this chapter is fully based on the Mahatma Gandhi. So we discuss about the Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in the 2nd October 1869. Porbandar, in Porbandar, Sudamapuri, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. This was the full name of the Mahatma Gandhi. He was married with Kasturba. His sons Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas, and Devadas. So he had four sons. From England, he studied in England and in South Africa from 1893 to 1914. He went there for their legal practices. Satyagraha. Satyagraha on that time was the new method of struggle against the racial. So this Satyagraha, this movement, this new method, he was adopted in the South Africa against the racial struggle, for the people of this South Africa, okay, against the racial discrimination was going on the South Africa. So the Mahatma Gandhi first of all started the Satyagraha in the South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915. In January 1915, he returned to his homeland after 2 decades of residence abroad, and these years he had been spent for most of the part of the South Africa, and where he went as a lawyer and in time became a leader of the Indian community in that territory. He made the Sabarmati Ashram in 1916. Gokhale was his political guru. Early experiments of the Satyagraha in India we discussed. On Gokhale's advice, Mahatma Gandhi spent a year traveling around British India, getting to know the India and its people. That Gokhale advised the Mahatma Gandhi that before you join the Indian politics, you have to know about the land and the people of the India. That how our Indians lived in this time, and which type of the sufferings, miserable life, or you see each and everything. You have to roam in the whole of India, and after that you have to join the politics of India. Then you understand each and everything in a proper way. So, on the advice of the Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Gandhi ji spent a year and traveling this British India and to know each and every problem and saw each and everything of the India and its people. Okay, student. Next topic uh, of the Satyagraha. Okay, that one we also discuss in our next video. Thank you.